Hi, my name is Lucy Hamilton, and my project is the effects of being environmentally informed on societal changes. The question that I asked for this project is if the time a product takes to break down is put on the product's label, will people begin to purchase more environmentally friendly products? And I hypothesized that if people are more informed about how long their daily use products take to break down and the effects of plastic on the environment, they will begin to purchase more environmentally friendly products. My reasoning for doing this project was to test whether a small change in our daily lives could have a positive, neutral, or negative impact on the environment. And the inspiration for this project came from my passion for the environment and how we could change things in our lives to save animals and the nature. For my experiment, I gathered my materials, which was a computer that I already had for my virtual surveys, and then I also just had to create two virtual surveys with both the compostable and non-compostable versions of each of the following products on the list. Then for my procedure, I started by compiling survey 1, which was asking what products participants currently use. Then I compiled my plastic information article, which was an article I wrote for participants to use after taking survey 1. Then I compiled survey 2, which was a survey asking what products participants are more likely to purchase or use in the future. And then I gathered some participants, had them take survey 1, use the plastic informational article, and then take survey 2. Lastly, I analyzed my data using graphs. This is exactly what the survey titles looked like to show you what the participants were answering for. Survey 1 asked which product are you more likely to purchase or use currently, and Survey 2 asked which product are you more likely to purchase or use after using the informational article and considering the given information that was included in the article. This is an example of a survey question. As you can see, I have the name of the product above. Then this is the non-compostable or non-biodegradable version with the brand and a picture for reference. And then this is the compostable or biodegradable version with the product brand name, and then also another picture for reference. The questions on each of the surveys were identical throughout. The data was just altered by what the participants were answering for, thus the questions given in the titles above. Next for my data, I want to point out that blue is the non-biodegradable or non-compostable version of the product, while red is the biodegradable/compostable version of the product. So the first product on the surveys was makeup wipes. As you can see on the right, I have how long each product takes to break down, which I included in the plastic information article. The non-biodegradable makeup wipes take 100 years to break down, while the biodegradable makeup wipes take 90 to 180 days to break down. From survey 1, as you can see, the majority, with about 60%, say that they currently use the non-biodegradable version, while 40% currently use the biodegradable version. And after using the plastic informational article, 70% of participants say that in the future they'll use the biodegradable version, while 30% of participants say that they'll stick with the non-biodegradable version that they use right now. Next is disposable spoons. Again, I have how long each product takes to break down on the right, 1,000 years versus 180 days. And this product follows the same trend where the majority is originally for the non-biodegradable version, but after being informed, 85% or the majority say that in the future they'll use the biodegradable version of disposable spoons. Next is trash bags, and again I have how long each product takes to break down, and it follows the same trend. I'm just going to go through the next slides pretty quick so that you can get an idea of my data and how the participants answered in the surveys. This is baby wipes. Again, I have how long each one takes to break down, 100 years versus 90 to 180 days. Disposable gloves. Toothbrushes. Sandwich bags. Sponges. Dental floss. And then grocery bags. My observations from my data are that people currently purchase name brand or easily accessible products, which makes sense because that way people will know whether their products that they're using are reliable and work well. Also, currently the majority of people purchase and use non-eco-friendly products. And another observation that I had is that people ages 40 and over currently use more environmentally friendly products than people in younger age groups. And then lastly, participants are more likely to change their purchasing preference for the future if the function of the product is not affected by a change in material. And you can see that here, where for grocery bags, about 97% of participants said in the future they'll use the biodegradable version of the grocery bag, because a grocery bag is just needed to put groceries in, bring it inside to your house, and then you dispose of it. No matter what the material is, it's going to have the same function. Whereas for dental floss, while both kinds of dental floss will have the same function, they're used to floss your teeth, one might wonder if the biodegradable dental floss is able to break down in a landfill pretty quickly. How would it work? Would it be able to hold up in your mouth while you're trying to floss your teeth? In conclusion, many people aren't aware of the effects of plastic on the environment and how long their daily use products take to break down, but my research shows that if brands start to put how long their products take to break down on their labels, then people may start to purchase more environmentally friendly products, which would be very good for the environment. This could have a cause on the economy, but I believe that large corporations or brands would be able to meet the needs of the people and the environment. Lastly, the change in plastic product preference is generational, which means that we have to inform the younger generations about biodegradable options so that we can start clearing landfills. Thank you so much. Bye.